Hey guys, so here's what I ate today. So I visited Rasoda, which is a place which serves North Indian delicacies, chaat, mithai, and a lot more. I started off with some pani puri, then I had some dahi papdi chaat. I also tried their matar ki tikki and kachori chaat, which was all delicious. Then here I tried some tadke wali Maggi, which was amazing. Now here's my most favorite part of the meal. I tried their Punjabi thali, which had dal makhani, paneer ki sabzi, gulab jamun, steamed rice, tawa roti. I loved this thali and I cannot wait to go back for more. And then I ended my meal with some meathi lassi. That's it. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.